guys, welcome back to another cash stuffing video. My name is Jeanette, and the reason why I cash stuff is to save for 6 months of expenses. So in today's video, we're going to do my variable expenses, which is my wallet, and we're going to cash stuff my 6 months of expenses binder as well as my debt. So as of now, I don't have a Home Depot card. That was an envelope I had in my debt as well as Klarna, so I don't owe anything in those cards anymore. The only card I owe right now is Chase. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to put money into that envelope. But before I get started, I want to get started on my mood tracker first, as well as my no spend. And then these are 2 challenges that I finished that I'm going to add to my 6 months of expenses. Okay, so I'm going to push this over to the side. Right? Let's do the budget bestie first. Can you guys see that? Perfect. Okay. So we're going to start with the mood tracker. And again, this mood tracker is from Dreamy Budgets if you guys are interested. And I do have some money here that I'm going to add to it. Right here. Okay. So we're doing today, which is Tuesday the 4th. And I have to say I'm feeling very, very motivated today. So that's going to get a green color. Again, working on orders today, and I shipped out orders this morning, and I got a couple of more today. So feeling motivated to get those done. And I'm super excited about you guys saving money with the savings challenges or anything in my shop. So I'm super excited to see like everybody's journey using the items that I do have in my shop. I know someone who used to buy from me before. Last year she saved about, I want to say like $2,000-3,000 using the stuff that I did have. So I was super excited to hear back from her that she saved that amount last year. So thank you guys again for your orders. And also you guys get 10% with the code GOALS. So if you use the code GOALS, you do get 10%. Okay, so we added $3 to that because motivated is $3. And I didn't do my no spend yesterday. I said it, but I didn't do it. Okay, so far we are in February 4th. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. No spend. Oh, it's supposed to be pink. Okay. I'm going to erase this, but it's no spend days. The purple is a spend day. So I have to erase that and then put a pink slash on it. Okay, we started off all wrong. Okay, so there goes that. And then as far as the ladies that I'm in a collab with, I did finish 2 more channels, like watching their playlists. So I added the $2 here. And that's going to be, let me just turn this around. Sorry, it's all up in the screen. It's going to be Michelle Organized Budget, Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets. So those 2 are done. And we are done with our Budget Bestie binder. I am running 2 more channels. And basically, if you go into their channels, you go into the playlist. They usually have a whole bunch of videos on there. Maybe it's like a support list or all my videos. If you guys can show those ladies some support, that'll be helpful. I did feature all the ladies in my Sunday video, so check out the Budget Bestie video that I put on Sunday. And that's me doing my binder and introducing the girls that are part of the collab. Okay, so this money right here, I'm going to separate it, and then we're going to count how much we have all together with this money over here. Okay, so let me just put all of this together. We have some 5s here. I know this is all 5s here. Dollars. Okay. So today, including these challenges, so this was my mood tracker for January. It saved me a total of $61. And then this was my New Year one that I have available in my shop. Each icon was worth $2. That's what I put it as. You could put any amount. So this saved me a total of $32. And this was from my Friday's challenges. Okay, so let's move these out the way. And let's start counting. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So we have $158 to cash stuff. We got some 10s in here. I rarely get 10s. I'm usually 5s and 1s, you know, because, you know, my income's not that high. I don't have that many 20s either. So we have a 20 on the table as well. Okay, so here goes everything right here. We're going to start with my wallet. And my wallet, of course, is going to get $5 everything, and nothing was saved in my wallet. So for groceries, we're going to add $5 to it. For toiletries, is going to be $5. For out to eat, is going to get a total of $5. My wallet always gets $5. Everything $5. And I rarely have anything left. Like to roll over for next week, that's really rare in my wallet. Okay, kids are going to get $5. Spending is going to get $5. And I like having my wallet because it doesn't make me overspend. Like if I didn't have my wallet, I'll be tapping into that debit card. And yeah, not happening. So this is like the money that I have for a week. So since today is Tuesday, I do it every Tuesday. So this money should last me to Tuesday. Okay, so that was self-care, got $5. Miscellaneous is going to get $5 as well. So that is it for my wallet. Okay, now let's move into our 6 months of expenses. The keys right here. And debt. I think I already took the Klarna and the Home Depot folders out of here. And it's a relief to like get certain credit cards like complete. Like it is a good feeling. Okay, so we're going to start off with my 6 months of expenses right here. And my trackers are in purple. So we're going to use the purple marker. I am going to track as I go. Okay, so for mortgage, can you guys see that? Yes. Okay, for mortgage, I'm going to add a total of $30. So we have 20 and we have 10. Okay, so now mortgage has a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110. So we have $110 in here. So we stuffed a total of $30. Today is the 4th. We have 110. And today is the 4th. So 2, 4. Okay, let's put that back in. Okay, emergency is going to get a total of $30 as well. So let's do 10, 20, 30. So $30 right here. So now it has a total of 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So $110 there as well. So 2, 4, 110, we added $30. Awesome, awesome, awesome. See, the little by little that we cash stuff, it starts growing. And I'm glad like on Friday's videos when I finish my savings challenges, I get to add it to my 6 months or sinking funds. Okay, savings is going to get the same. It's going to get a total of $30. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, what did I do here? Okay, so now our emergency, did I say emergency? No. Savings. Now our savings has a total of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So in all of our envelopes for 6 months of expenses, we are over $100, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna put 30 here, 110, and then this is going to be the 4th. Okay. Okay, I'm going to see what's left over, and then I'm going to dump that all into my Chase card. Okay, so we have a total of 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. $33. And we have $10 in here. So $43 in Chase. Let's just double count that. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So I owe them $142, I want to say. So I'm trying to pay it by this month. Let's see. Where's my calculator? I think it's like $142. Let me just... I lost my count already. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. And I believe it's 141.76 actually. So 141.76 minus $43. So I owe $98.76. And by this month, I want to pay it. Like when the minimum is due, I want to have the 141.76. Okay, so that is going to be it for my 6 months of expenses as well as my debt. And I think that's it for today. I didn't want this video to be long. Tomorrow we are going to be stuffing our sinking funds as well as my business bills. Yeah, guys, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for your orders today. I wanted to show you guys again, if you guys are new to the channel, the Pretty in Pink Savings Challenge. And this is the completed book. Now you have two options. You can buy the completed book, or you can just get the challenges itself. So you get the front cover and the 6 challenges, or if you get the completed book, is the cover, the 6 challenges, as well as the dashboards. So I'm going to show you these challenges really quick. This is Pretty in Pink Savings Challenge. It's a nice, cute little booklet. And we have outing is the first challenge. There's no specific order for it, but outing is one of the challenges. And then this is the dashboard, and it comes with an A6 envelope as well. The dashboard is inside, so you can store the money for outing. Here goes coffee, and I did start this in Friday's video. So coffee, and there goes the dashboard and A6 envelope for that. We have Pink Christmas, and this is a scratch-off game. So we did scratch off 2 on Friday. And this is the dashboard for that. We have Retail Therapy, dashboard, and A6 folder. We have Excursion. There goes that. Indulgence. And there goes that. And also, if you get the booklet, you do get the end cover as well. So that's the booklet, Pretty in Pink. And thank you guys for your support on my channel. Just by watching videos alone, you guys are supporting the channel. Also, if you'd like to give a little donation to a cup of coffee, I do have that in my description box as well. It can be any amount just to show a little bit of support. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video where we will be doing our sinking funds. Bye.